Alright, so we're currently in this forest just by the college. The reason we're here is because I need to get some sound effects for my radio drama. So we need some birds and we need some wind for when the characters are outside. So I've kind of thought, why not go to the forest? Obviously, as you can see now, the college is right there. So obviously it's not still a bit close to us. So we're going to try and get a bit deeper in here, around the middle, and kind of just be quiet in here. Hopefully get some bird sound effects. We're here in Bowers Park now. We're going to try and get some more bird sound effects. We've just got some from over the forest by the college. Don't think you can see from here, but the reason we came over here is because the road was quite loud, obviously, so we don't know if you'll be able to, I don't know if you'll be able to hear them personally very well. That's why we came here for a second chance to get some more just in case. Alright, that should be enough. We just got 40 seconds. Can't see, it just came off the screen. We've just got 40 seconds worth of audio there. That should be enough. I think you should be able to hear the birds. It might be okay. The only thing I'm worrying about is the birds, but considering they're outside and dogs are outside, it'll be all. You can see the dogs over there. So since we're outside, I was worried about the birds at first, but I've just realised the characters are outside at this point during the radio drama anyway. So the fact we've got birds and dogs barking, it makes it more realistic, kind of. So I think there's a dog over there as well. Okay, we're gonna record. I'm gonna walk up and down this ramp, and maybe to the top of that one, but that one's quite steep. So that might be quite dangerous with one hand. Seconds of audio again. Just looked a bit stupid walking around like that, but if I have enough body height, we're not going to get the correct sound. So we'll go have a look at that part there with the bell bars, see if we can get anything worthwhile recorded over there. Yeah, so here we are, we're in Bowers Park still. Obviously you can probably hear the wind and stuff behind me as well, but what we're doing for this part is I'm literally just going to record this for about a minute, maybe 2 minutes of just silence, just to set the atmosphere with the birds. And probably could have done that from the start, to be fair. I didn't think about that until now. That's just wasted a lot of time. But that's what we're going to do, about a minute, maybe two, absolute maximum, just to record where we are, get the birds and stuff in the background, get the wind, get the cars and stuff. So let's go. 3, 2,